My name is Zach Tim, and I run the day-to-day operations at Block Diesel Repair Incorporated, just north of the Janesville Airport on Highway 51. Block Diesel Repair was started in 1994 by the owner, Kerry Block. He went to school for diesel repair, and he decided that in '94 it was time for him to go out on his own, and he started a small shop. That's how Block Diesel started. I started at Block Diesel in 2008. I started as second shift parts person and taking service calls. I then worked my way out into the shop, becoming a mechanic. I worked as a mechanic for several years, and then there was an opening for a foreman, so I took the first shift foreman position. We just kept growing, and I decided it was time to bring the next tech up into foreman position, and then I would manage parts department, service, techs, everything. Block Diesel Repair offers a variety of services. Our bread and butter is semi-truck and trailer. That's how we started. A lot of service calls, maintenance, not only repairs, lots of maintenance. But we offer repair and maintenance for almost everybody. It could be a local small shop that has 2 delivery vehicles. It could be an individual with a pickup that needs repair. But we'll work on anything from that individual's pickup up to the semi, RVs, campers, heavy equipment, anything in that realm. So we have the cash accounts that might just be over-the-road truckers that we have to go out and repair on the side of the road that we only see once. I have several accounts that are farmers that have been with me for several years. Lots of local business. We do individual vehicles, and all the little stuff helps is just as much as the company with 100 trailers to service. Block Diesel values ourselves on being good with customer service, more the small guy, not so big and corporate. I want to know if there's an issue, you could see me at the front desk and know that I was the guy you talked to. I might even go out and work on it as well. I've always thought that there should never be somebody in charge that can't do the job himself. So I think that we apply that to Block Diesel pretty well. We also try to bring new and upcoming techs into the field. We had several students working at Block Diesel through different programs from their school, or Rock County programs, or Dane County actually programs. So we know that bringing up new people to work on these is going to be important, and we try to put a lot of effort into that. For the most part, the customers we have make money with the vehicle we are touching, whether it's repair or maintenance. And if that vehicle is downed, they're not making money. So we pride ourselves on getting it done quickly, efficiently, professionally. That way they can get on the road and make money. At Block Diesel, we have grown and added lots of tooling to our system that helps in many ways, not only just doing a job efficiently, but being able to see things more efficiently and spotting issues. But we have one of Wisconsin's largest pits for our alignment machine. 2 sets that include 4 each Mohawks. I can lift a fully loaded truck and trailer in the air. It's a lot easier to see when you're looking up at something, a lot more daylight than crawling underneath a truck. We have 4 drive-through bays. We add tools when needed. We know that every year they come out with new things, and we're not afraid to get those so we can help you. We want the relationship with the customer and Block Diesel to be a comfortable relationship. Like I said, we're a small business. We might be growing, but we're going to stay small with the way we act and represent ourselves with our customers. The quickest and most efficient way, in my opinion, is to just call us. You're going to talk to somebody that will help you figure out how to write it up. You know, if you're not sure what to say or what kind of problems you're having, you just tell us the complaint you feel, and we'll figure it out from there.